I know, I know, I know. She ain't anybody, girl, I know. Ain't in anybody's whip.
Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Y'all, I'm straight up dying for this look. I seriously feel like this is the best look I've ever done. I'm getting like princessy vibes and then like spacey vibes, and yeah, I'm in love with this look and I hope you guys like it too. And if you guys want to see how I do it, keep watching.
I've seen ain't in anybody's verse, I know.
Hey you guys. So just to talk about a couple things I'm doing. Just concealing the eye, and then I'm packing on that purple color. It's kind of like a shimmery color, but it really worked out. I am just packing like I'm about to go on vacation. Now that I've learned and am learning makeup, just doing really nice makeup, it is a lot of effort. None of these beautiful looks that you see take 2 minutes. It's really time, effort, energy, and passion. I'm taking the Caregiver color and the Tartelette matte palette, and I'm blending it out at the top so it had a little pink sheen to it. The blending took a while, but it was so worth it because it came out so beautiful, as you guys have seen. I literally went back and forth. I packed and then I blended. I packed and then I blended. So at first I did a shimmery purple under my eye, and of course that didn't work out very well, so then I blended out with Caregiver, and it actually came out a little too pink. I had to go back and take a lighter, more skin color shadow and blend it back out. And this was my favorite part, was the glitter. I mean, who doesn't love glitter? I'm so impressed at how this worked out. Believe it or not, I am just using an eyelash glue, and the glue actually is horrible for false lashes, so they should redo it and call it glitter glue because it worked wonders. And when I took it off, you guys, that glue was stuck. The glitter was stuck. I had to literally rub my makeup wipe on it a couple times just to get it off. I would have loved to do an even more dramatic liner, but the e.l.f. liquid liner just is not cutting it for me lately. At first I liked it, but now that I'm getting more comfortable again doing wing liner, I'm gonna have to switch up. I'm so happy that this look is so beautiful. I hope you like it too. So I've found that curling my lashes and not putting mascara on first works better for me.
About a past life, I didn't
And if you guys want to see any of the products or know about any of them, I'll have them in the bottom bar. I didn't really want to go over it, just want to talk to you guys. So I hope you guys like it. It was wet. Too wet. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? It's so beautiful. I don't really even want to talk about it because there it is. This is it. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and my channel. I will seriously appreciate it. Love you guys so much. And until the next video, I'll see y'all next time.
I've seen. Ain't in anybody's verse, I know. I've seen that side of everything. I always think about a past life. I think that reading was a huge scam.